It's a beautiful day in the garden. This is my container that held the early double tulips, do you remember? It's empty now. The tulips have gone off to die down somewhere else out of sight. So it's time to change things up. These are the stocks for pots. They're going to look absolutely incredible and give us lovely scent. So while I get on with this, I'm going to play a video for you now showing you how I plant mine out. So I'm just filling up this container with homemade compost. I'll put some shop ball on the top in a second to smother out any weed seeds. This part I've already done. These are stocks for your pots. They're shorter than the field grown varieties, but I wanted everybody to have a chance to grow beautiful stocks in their own gardens. So I'm going to grow these, and then you can all have a look and see what you think, and maybe put them in your own gardens next spring. I get lots of questions about the size of this pot. It is 60 centimetres in diameter. Starting by placing them like a clock face around the outside of the pot, and they are between 15 and 20 centimetres apart. They only get one flower, so we don't pinch them, and they don't need a huge amount of room because of that. You can see he's already trying to start. There, that looks pretty good. And the beauty of laying them out on the surface of the compost before you start is it gives you the opportunity to just tweak your design, and if you haven't got quite enough plants, just basically move them to cover any gaps. There we go. I'm just going to give this a really good water and then stand back. I'm also going to do a much smaller pot here, so you can see what that looks like too. And this one here is just 7 plants. Look at that. I love it. These are my single stocks, and I actually think they've got the nicer foliage, and the flowers are just as nice as far as I'm concerned. So I've set myself up in the greenhouse with everything I need tomorrow because it's going to rain all day. So I've got compost, I've got plants, I've got pots. I'm ready for a bit of indoor gardening.